Cause says, if you had to give one suggestion on how to power through difficult, boring to-dos when there is so much else to do at the same time, what is your suggestion? Don't think about all of the other things you have to do at the same time. That really helps, because then I just end up crying because there's so much to do, and then I'm losing the time that I need to do the things. So I compartmentalize my to-do list. What needs to be done today, what needs to be done this week, what needs to be done this month, and kind of what needs to be done this semester, because I exist on the academic calendar. So that helps already, but then sometimes I'll also look at things in terms of like the kind of activity. So maybe we don't title them boring things to do. Maybe just like, every time I do a task, I get to play triangle. Or something that's like actually bribing yourself to get through those things. Like, if I do this, then I get to have my fancy cherry water. That's what I get to do. So just like reward yourself and try to do the ones that don't take too long first to start the momentum. That helps a lot as well. Yeah. Okay. Does that help? Did that help? Cyber Simeon, hey. My answer is boredom. Cut off the power and no one complains about having to do the dishes. There you go. Go live in a remote village. I don't think I could live without the internet at this point in my life, though. I like it, though. We're thinking outside the box. Andrea says, either make a list, choose one item, don't think about it, don't stress over the list, just make a list and choose. Then leave all their other tasks alone until it's finished. One thing you could do is get a dartboard and put your tasks on a dartboard if you don't want to decide on the order. Yeah. And then just never hit the dartboard, always hit the wall, and then you don't have to do anything. Life advice. BRK, do one at a time and listen to Invader. I like it. I like it. Yeah. Andrew says, or I do daily chores. I have 2 hours of free time in the evening, so I get all my boring crap done in order to craft, binge TV, etc. Yeah, okay. I do that too, is kind of scheduling. I have this many hours to do this thing. That's what I have to do. And then as you get closer to the cutoff time, you just start screaming while you do the activity. Start telling weird stories about this time you played tennis. But the timer can be very powerful. Yeah, it can be very powerful.